Welcome back to Diecast Race Wars. This is semi-final time. We have two of them today. Let's look at our competitors in the first semi-final. First up, we have Mark D of CRC Racing in the 70 Buick and Hot Wheel Racer Mike in the Chevy Camaro Concept. Good luck to our competitors, and only one can go through to the final. The rules. The first car to win 3 races wins a spot in the finals.
Race 1. Winner, Hot Wheel Racer Mike. Let's go to the replay.
This is what the punters came here to see. Look at that manoeuvre by the Buick. Nice line into turn 1, sets himself up for Mount Western straight. The Chevy Camaro's nowhere to be seen. It's Mark D all the way. Oh, a bit of track maintenance needed there. What happened here? The Buick thought he had it won, and here comes Hot Wheel Racer Mike. Just cruises past him over the finish line to take the first race.
Race 2. Winner! It's Hot Wheel Racer Mike in the mighty Chevy Camaro Concept. Replay.
I think Mark D driving the Buick's a bit rattled on that last race. But look at Hot Wheel Racer Mike, look at this line, slides, he's all over the track, he doesn't care, he's having fun. The Buick's trying to catch him, there's just no way. Hot Wheel Racer Mike says, no way buddy, I'm taking this out, eat my dust. And Hot Wheel Racer Mike cruises across the line for his second win in today's semi-finals.
Race 3. Winner, Hot Wheel Racer Mike. Let's go to the replay.
I love these little manoeuvres these guys do. They just duck in front of each other. They take control of the track. He's got a nice line down Mount Western Straight. And where's the Concept? Nowhere to be seen. From here it's Mark D all the way. Slides a bit out of turn 2 and just can't control it. And here comes Hot Wheel Racer Mike. Steps on the gas and takes the semi-finals out. Congratulations mate, you're through to the finals. Well, there you go. Hot Wheel Racer Mike driving the Chevy Camaro Concept. Congratulations, mate. You are through to the finals. And Mark D of CRC Racing in the 70 Buick, we will see you in the race for 3rd place. Next up, we have semi-final 2 in the ZAMAC tournament. Let's look at our drivers. First up, we have the Golden L in the Olds 442. And Wheels Collectors in the 68 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. The rules are simple. The first car to win 3 races wins a spot in the finals.
Race 1. It's the big DNF. Let's go to the replay.
A lot of tension out of that start gate down the back of Mount Western Straight. It's the old 442. It takes the advantage and just goes out hard, slides and just can't hack it and stacks it. This leaves the track wide open for the Barracuda. Look at him go, goes up high and he has the same problem. Can't hack the pace. This is a DNF. Let's go again on this race.
Race 2. Golden L. Replay.
It's a really great battle down the back there, but it's the old that just goes out front and goes hard. Nice line. And the Barracuda stacks it and he's gone. He's out of this race completely. But look at the olds. He's just all over the track. He loves Mount Western Raceway. Congratulations, the Golden L. You get your first win in today's semi-final 2.
Race 3. Winner! The Golden Hill again in the old 442. Replay.
I think the pressure of the semis has gotten wheel collectors. Doesn't even make it past first turn. But it's the olds all the way again. He's got no problems. He can just slow down and take it easy. Almost lost it there, brother. Don't get too cocky. Congratulations, though. You're over the line for your second win. Nice driving, mate. It's the Golden Earl with his second win in today's semi-final 2. Congratulations.
Race 4. It's the Golden L who wins again in the old 442. Let's go to the replay.
You see a few racing champs on this track, and this is one of them, the Golden L in the old 442. He is just dominating today's semi-final number 2. No one can catch him. The power of that car. He puts his foot down. He just loves Mount Western Raceway. Look at him go. He's got a big smile, fist out, and says, "Thank you, mate. I'm into the finals." Congratulations, the Golden L in the old 442. A 3-0 win in today's semi-final 2. We will see you in the finals. Some sensational driving at Mount Western Raceway. Congratulations, the Golden L in the old 442. You're off to the finals. Wheel collectors, we will see you in the race for 3rd place. I'm Hot Car Track, and this is Diecast Race Wars. Thanks for watching.